So I just got a new ride yesterday. Show y'all what I got real quick. See if y'all like it. Hey, lovebirds. Hey, little birds. Y'all love birds. They can't keep their hands off each other. Alright, let's see what we're working with y'all. I'm thinking about putting this on Turo. See if I can make some money real quick. Alright, man, here we go. It's L500. So it only have 117,000 miles on it. So I think I did pretty good. It's an 04. And I'm thinking about making some money with it. So if I want to become the largest SL500, largest rental car company in Dallas, then I got to start with something nice. So I always want to start with some kind of luxury sporty light. Let me see, as y'all can see on the dash right there, 117,472. Not bad. No check engine light. Everything worked. It's good to go. Alright, man, I got a better view right here, so I had to move some stuff around. We got so many cars, but yeah, man, I think this would be perfect for Turo and just for me to start my rental car business, period. So like I said before, this is something I always wanted to do. I always wanted to start out with something kind of classy, sporty like. Then it kind of goes with the name, Luxotic Dallas, which we are in Dallas, so gotta go with the name a little bit. So I'm gonna drop the top real quick so I can show y'all the inside. There it is, so it's pretty good. Alright, so let me show y'all the inside real quick. Sound system sound good. Leather still good. Let me turn it down real quick. Alright, so you got the lights. Let's see, let me turn these lights on real quick. Make sure they stay on. Right there. Then you got these. Cool. Alright, that's how the inside look like. Look pretty good. Everything leather. I think it got heated seats. Only had this car for maybe a week now. Got it from the auction. And this is how I want to start out with my first car. So basically, I'm actually starting out with my first car is going to be luxury / sports car. So that's kind of how I came up with the name, which is Luxotic Dallas. And then we are in Dallas. So this is how I want to start my business off with the right car. So I feel like this is the right car. We are in May, so I want to say sometime next month is when the summertime is really going to kick off. So once the summer kick off, you know, go ahead and rent from us. Rent you a drop top, hard top convertible. Let the top down. It's going to be the perfect weather. So I'm going to show y'all. Give y'all a little bit of this growl action real quick. Sound good. That's what I'm talking about. That's that good old V8. Now this is a 2004, so but as you can see, it's a 2004, but it's still pretty much holding its class. So y'all tell me if y'all think this is a good car or not. To start out with Turo, and then also I heard about hire car too. So, but the good thing about this is that this car is already paid for, so I paid cash for this car. So I'm not all in. Ain't got no car note or nothing like that, so I ain't put nothing with no car note on there. It's already paid in cash, and then the car still holds value, so it still got like a lot of value to it. It's I got it around like 8,000, but the car is still worth like maybe 12, 13, something like that if I want to sell it. Low miles, so I think it's a pretty good deal. So I want y'all to let me know what y'all think in the comments below. If I put this on YouTube, it's gonna be in the comments below. Let me know what y'all think about it. All right. Let's see, I have to get some more of that good footage real quick.